Ever feel like your complexion could use a boost? You're not alone. Many of us grapple with complexion concerns such as uneven skin tone, acne, dullness, and dryness. It can feel like a constant battle, trying to navigate through these common skin issues. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. We understand the struggle and we empathize with you, but worry not, there are ways to enhance your complexion significantly. Firstly, the secret to good skin starts from within. Imagine your body as a garden. Hydration and nutrition are the sunlight and water it needs to flourish. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin cells hydrated, promoting a youthful, radiant glow. Consuming a balanced diet packed with fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients, supporting skin cell regeneration and repair. Think of these as the building blocks of your skin's health. Remember, what you put in your body directly impacts your skin's health. Secondly, establish a regular skincare routine. The cornerstone of radiant skin lies within the daily rituals we adopt. Commencing with the basics, cleansing is the first step. It helps remove dirt and excess oils, paving the way for your skin to breathe. Next, we have toning. Often overlooked, yet crucial, toners balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next step, moisturizing. Moisturizers, the unsung heroes of skincare, lock in hydration, keeping your skin plump and glowing. Lastly, regardless of the weather, a sunscreen is a must. Sunscreen shields your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and hyperpigmentation. Each step in this routine holds its own value, working in harmony to boost your skin's health. They collectively enhance your complexion, giving it a youthful, vibrant glow. So, remember to carve out some time for your skin every day. After all, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Thirdly, don't forget to exfoliate and pamper your skin. Exfoliation is like a mini spa treatment, whisking away those pesky dead skin cells to reveal a fresh, rejuvenated layer beneath. It's the key to a radiant complexion. And let's not overlook face masks. These beauty heroes deep cleanse, hydrate, and nourish, giving your skin that extra loving care it craves. Think of them as a superfood smoothie for your skin. Regular exfoliation and mask usage can give your skin the extra care it needs. To summarize, improving your complexion is not as daunting as it seems. Remember, it's about hydrating and nourishing from the inside out, because your skin reflects your inner health. A regular skincare routine is essential. It's just like brushing your teeth, but for your face. Adding exfoliation and masks to your routine can further help to remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin refreshed and glowing. With these steps, you are on your way to a healthier and more radiant complexion.